everyone. This is Stormy Banks with an important weather bulletin. This is an emergency. Snow has begun to fall in amounts not seen in decades. Snow is beginning to bank in areas because of the high wind. Well, let's see if we can get a shot of this with the camera. You see this snow bank? Look at that. Snow is banking now in heights all the way up to a quarter inch. That's right, 1/4 inch snow banks. This situation is not expected to improve over the next few hours and all. I encourage you, be safe, be warm, hug your children. Thank you. This is Stormy Banks. People are suffering. People may be dying. I'm sorry. I am dedicated to follow this story through to the end. It is my wish for you and your family tonight that you have safety, that you survive. I'm sorry, I can't.